These ancient birds depended on the climate and herds beneath them, where giants walked.
Watch Clutch closely. The aerial dance of survival. Every movement
Millions of years ago, before humans walked the earth, giant sky hunters ruled these lands.
Welcome to the world's largest meta factory for reinforced dinosaur wings.
Hides arrive cryogenically preserved. Each hide passes dozens of integrity checks before processing. Purification softens and activates prehistoric fibers.
Nanopolishing removes fossil residues.
Infusion reinforces tensile strength.
Stretching aligns fibers for wing deployment stress.
Stretching aligns fibers for wing deployment stress.
Technicians graft hide onto skeletal structure.
Sealing molecularly bonds membrane for durability. Each wing is tested beyond fighter jet limits.
Stress tests ensure survival under extreme flight loads.
Certified wings are cleared for final storage. This hangar holds thousands of ready units.
The journey from prehistoric rawhide to engineered flight is complete. The journey from prehistoric rawhide to engineered flight is complete.
Approved wings are packaged for deployment.
A new age of engineered megafauna begins.